Multiple events can be viewed on a Notifier 50X by using the navigation arrows on either side of the display. So currently we're showing an alarm on a smoke detector in computer room 1. Its address is detector 001. This is the date and time that it occurred, June 25th, 2024 at 10:23. Also, there's a trouble on a smoke detector in computer room 2. Invalid reply, detector 002. Invalid reply means it is not communicating with the panel. There is also an open on the notification circuit, notification appliance circuit number 1. Open meaning is open in the wiring. And the alarm has been silenced. So there are 4 different active conditions on this system right now.